cost-sensitive learning in predictive maintenance. Traditional maintenance models often revolve around the fine-tuning of maintenance intervals, preventive schedules, or the estimated remaining useful life. Our Pure RUL Maintenance Cost (PRMC) framework represents a new approach by quantifying maintenance costs in monetary terms. This enables organizations to select the most cost-effective predictive maintenance model and optimize maintenance timing. In doing so, it redefines maintenance prediction by accounting for the financial implications of machine breakdown and downtime. This demo shows a dynamic dashboard featuring a fleet of machines, each with its own estimated remaining useful life. Use the drop-down menus and sliders to experiment with different parameters such as machine types and maintenance schedules. The dashboard provides insight into total maintenance costs and optimal maintenance timing, with simulated machine failures adding an element of real-world unpredictability.